Hello and welcome to learntocreategames.com. Today we will have a look at character animation. So let's get started. To start this tutorial, you will need two things. You will need an account with Mixamo.com and another account with Adobe.com as well. So again, for the software we'll be using today, it's called Fuse. So you will need to download it from the Adobe website. So when this is done, again, you can download it for Mac and Windows. You will have the choice for different features in order to create your character. So in this case here, you can see that we start with the head of our character. You have different type of possible solutions here. You can have a male character, a female character, and again, a lot of different features. So again, you can see them on the right-hand side. So for this particular example, I will start with a very simple head, and again, start to build my character step by step. So adding the head, adding the torso, the legs as well, and what I will do later on also is to add a bit of clothing on this character. So again, this might take a few seconds, but very quickly now you can see that you can start to create your character. So again, I'm going to add arms, and you will see later on that you can eventually adjust the length and the shape of the arms as well. So you can always do that later on. So you add your different parts, and then you can always modify them. So here our character is almost ready to go. So we will need to add a bit of clothing on this character. So again, I'm going to go to the tab called clothing, and there I will check or select clothing of my choice. So again, it's going to be using the ACU. When this is done, basically I can start to choose a pair of trousers for this character. So again, if you click on bottom, and then you can choose any type of trouser that you need. So it's going very quickly and very well. So again, now what I need is a bit of some shoes for my character. So again, I'll be looking at shoes and then selecting a pair of shoes for them. I think I'm going to select the tactical shoes here. So again, you can scroll down, there is a lot of choice there, and select some shoes for your character. Okay, so tactical boots B, that's done. Next, I will possibly add a cap to my character. So again, I can go to hats, the section called hats, located in the bottom right corner of your window, and then we can just decide what type of hat we will add. Again, you have a lot of choice here. I'm going to choose a baseball cap for this particular example. And once this is done, the next thing I will do is just to look at the actual beard. So again, we'll add a beard to this particular character. Okay, so once this is done, we're pretty much okay to go. And something that you have to bear in mind is that I will start to click on the button called Animate, which is located in the top right corner. And whenever I click on this button, it will actually connect to my Mixamo account. Oh, I forgot. Obviously, I will add mustache to my character. Okay, so we should be pretty much okay. All right, so again, my character is almost complete. We have a mustache, a hat, a bit of clothing. So again, we are almost ready to go. And again, just to show you here, I'm just clicking on the tab called Customize, just to show you that I can customize any part of my character. So again, here I'm just customizing the elbow, for instance, or the forearm, and I can also customize the length of the arm as well, from short to long. And again, you should see the results on the left-hand side. So when this is done, I'm going to click on the Animate button, and this one will connect to my Mixamo account. So again, I've got an account created already. I'm going to click on Upload, and it's going to take a few seconds now. And what I will do with this is that I will upload my model straight to Mixamo. So again, for this, you need first to create a Mixamo account. So you should go to mixamo.com, create a login, a password. You will receive a confirmation by email. And once this is done, then you should be able to access your account from Fuse. So once this is done, basically it's going to take a little while. The percentage of the file that has been actually uploaded will appear right there. So it shouldn't take too long. It will depend obviously on the speed of your connection, internet connection, and also on your computer. So again, we're going to wait for a few seconds, and in less than a minute, you should be able to see this character in Mixamo, in the online software. So again, Mixamo from that, as we will see later on, the software will take this character and then we'll just kind of finish the rigging for you. And once this is done, you will be able to apply different types of animations to your character. And whenever these animations have been applied, you'll be able to download them using a format called FBX for Unity. So again, you should be able to download this animation and again import it then inside Unity. And the point later on will be to use this animation within Unity. So here we are pretty much okay to go. We have about 25% left. So again, we'll wait for a few more seconds. Okay, so at this stage, the model is being rigged. Okay, so again, it has been uploaded to Mixamo. In a few seconds, the Mixamo page will open. Now, I have already logged into the Mixamo website. So what it will do is go directly to the assets page where my character has been uploaded. So as it has been uploaded, you can see that there is a label called auto rigging. So again, it will actually just rig your character for you, and in the sense that you should be able to use it straight away for an animation then. So once the rigging process is complete, it will load the character again, and you should be able to see it in this window. So again, it's going to take a few seconds, and you should see the character that you have created straight in the window. By default, it's going to be in an idle position. So again, if you're happy with the character there, just click on Finish. Now, obviously, there are other options we could look at, but right now, just click on Finish. And then we can look into either the object in the assets using View in My Assets or Animate, but we'll have a look at the animation later on. So this stage, you can look at your character. You can drag and drop also your mouse to be able to look around this character and see it from different angles. So again, here the character appears, and if I drag and drop my mouse, I should be able to see it from different angles. Again, it is not animated right now, so again, it's assuming this T pose, okay, with the arms in the horizontal position. So once you're happy with this object, you can start to find or look for animations. Again, the idea really is to animate this character and to import these animations within Unity. So when this is done, just click on Find Animations, and what it will do, it will start to look for animations that are already existing on the Mixamo website. They are all free. Okay, so again, you have a lot of different animations here. You can perform a search if you prefer. So again, in this case, I will look for Run. Okay, so again, it will find a few animations for running. So again, you have a different type of animation. You have running, female locomotion pose, jogging, and so forth. So you have a lot of different animations there that you can use. So once you click on one of them, it will, on the right-hand side, it will animate the object based on this animation. I'm going to click on In Place so that the character is running on the spot. Okay. So once you are happy with it, you can either add to your assets, or maybe if you're not happy with it, you can always try to apply a different type of animation. So again, here I've added it to the pack, and again, you can always modify the different options there. Okay, so that's done. And once this is done, you can also add it to your assets. So again, you have the message saying running has been added to your asset. So again, it's something that you will be able to download later on. So for now, I think you have one animation for running. So what I'd like to do is possibly add a different animation. And this animation will be maybe a dancing animation. Okay, so again, I'm going to look for a different type of animation. So again, punch, for instance, or maybe something more, I suppose, a bit less violent. So dancing, so dance again. And again, you have a good few animations based on the keyword called dance. So once this is done, I'm going to again narrow down my search to dance, and here I'm going to look for the hip hop dancing, which is the second one on the second row. So once I do that, you can see that my character on the right hand side will be animated based on this particular animation. Okay, it seems to work pretty well. And what I will do this time is I will just add to my assets. Okay, so add to my assets will make sure that I will be able to download it later on. So again, if I click on view and download, so again it has been added to my asset. And if I click on the view download, again, you can see this animation right there on the right hand side, and you can, if you click on the button called Q download, it will be made available for you to download. So again, if I click there and select the format, so again you have a lot of different format. The one we want is FBX for Unity, so again it's just customized for Unity, and then just click on Q download. So once this is done, then you should have a window that tells you that you can download this particular animation. Okay, so again, the download button here will actually download this particular animation. So if I click on it, it will then open a window asking me where exactly I want to save it. So again, I will save it on my desktop. That's it, so save file. And again, once this is done, it will ask me where exactly I want to save it. So I'm going to specify the desktop, and it will download it for me. So I'm saving the model right now on my desktop. So again, you can save it anywhere you want. You can see that actually the name of the file is the name of the model with the @ sign and then the name of the animation. So again, it's just a nice way to remember what a particular model is doing. So again, you have the name of the model with @ and then the animation, which means basically that it's an animation applied to the model called Fuse model. So that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Again, if you want to know more about Unity, please check the website www.learntocreategames.com. See you. Bye.